Chris about to upgrade the wastegate on this bad boy.
What's going on?
What's up? What's up?
YouTube.
What's up, man? Say what's up to my 600 followers, man.
What's up, man?
Got Key over here. This man going full bolt on this IS right here. Hey, look, we're working on this package for $3,000. This thing looks pretty sweet.
It's 825 or is it an M?
No, it's 135 on.
Oh, 135.
Yeah. This is,
Oh, man, we got the
popular amongst hairstylists.
Why do they like it?
It's a little feminine.
Oh, okay. But the turbocharger wouldn't be.
Yeah, the turbocharger is a little more manly.
Okay.
Just a little.
That's
But you know, these days everything goes.
Uh-huh. You never know who you're talking to, right?
Not until you look under the hood.
Okay, yeah. What side, what,
This man's getting a motor put in this thing.
How much like how the roof?
uh-huh.
Yeah.
Hopefully
The
today,
motor, intercooler. It's just,
You
it's
just
got
put
the
it on?
subframe down.
It has the device that controls the boost pressure on this. Well, actually, that controls the exhaust pressure.
Mm-hmm.
It's too small, the spring.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm changing the
Look
spring
at
to
the
a
fuel.
bigger spring, so hopefully it can make more boost.
Key, that's a fuel tank in that thing, right?
Check and,
cell.
This is 100% stock motor.
Okay, but here's the crankshaft and the pistons and all this stuff.
Yeah, these stock motors in this particular car can make around 700 to the wheels. So that's over 800
That's
crank.
what I was looking for, the
Big
race
stiff.
gate.
Yeah, so the spring in this is too small. That's what we're changing.
That's gonna go, oh,
Well-
it's going underneath it.
Right.
Yep.
Okay, that's what I was looking for. Where's the race gate on it?
Yeah, I didn't know you were turbo savvy.
Oh,
Well,
I
so you
know
didn't- you didn't
a
tell
lot
me-
about cars.
You didn't tell me all that. You told me that you drive like a Acura or something.
I drive a Mercedes GLA
You
250.
said your wife has an Acura, right?
Yeah, she has
the
an Acura.
SUV?
DX. But I used to race cars, man, when I was.
Yo, here we have a race car driver for the channel. We got a race car driver out here for the channel, y'all. Look, every day is new content. You know what I'm saying? We don't know what could happen.
I used to race Formula cars.
Four mod?
Formula.
Oh,
Like an
Formula.
Indy
Yeah,
car,
yeah, yeah.
but a lower class.
That's good, man.
Formula Atlantics, they were called.
That's what I've never raced Formula, only on the streets.
Let's see this wastegate that we got.
Never done anything on this thing like that, except with my
It's too dangerous, man.
Yeah.
I tell these kids all the time, man, that unless you're doing it in Mexico, you really can't mess with that.
I don't have any formal accolades. I guess I've ran at the drag strip. My white car,
Wait, Chris, let's check this thing before you even decide. I guess. Do we need this thing here?
yeah.
We need that, right?
So this doesn't have any spring in it right now?
Nope.
Yeah, I can tell.
It's the same as that one, huh?
No, that's bootleg
that's
one.
Yeah, that's a knockoff.
That's a bootleg
we're
one.
changing this
That's a
to
$50 one. That's a $400 one.
Okay.
But you see, you go cheap. I gotta pay. Yep.
Yeah.
Now I gotta pay the remaining to this
And
man to
you
fix it.
don't have a command on the wastegate right here that would open and close?
Yes. Here's the valve for that.
Max all know it, yeah.
Now usually the ones I see, it's got the mechanism right on the wastegate.
Alright, let's get it, man.
So those are internal wastegate curves.
Ready to have this thing going. Got a new O2 in there. Had to go with the NTK. NTK. It's the brand. I guess they're better for heat resistance. This thing on here went out in about 60 miles. And that was just like a Rock Auto $70 O2 sensors, which I shouldn't have got that anyway. But let's see what we get. So we out here trying to figure out why the port injection controller wasn't even hooked up right. Wastegate definitely been an improvement. She's running way better. All right, y'all seen it? It's been a long day. Sun's gone down. We figured out the port injection wasn't even hooked up. Now it's got a retune done. Key's still working on his metal plate.
Let's go drive this.
and let's go do it. All right, this is the moment of truth. What's up, y'all? We're back. Car got tuned. Couldn't find out the car did not have a stage 3 fuel pump in it, but rather it had a stage 2, I believe. So cannot run full ethanol like I've been running. So that was my fault for not checking that first. So I gotta go down to a blend. Gotta drop some of that gas off right there. I just want y'all to hear this thing at 20 pounds. Good. Sorry, I'm granny shifting right now, y'all. You know I'm a terrible driver. I don't care.